Hello, this is Chris Roshnot, 24K on Twitter and 24K on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up. Today I'll be unboxing the EZVIZ DB1 Wi-Fi video doorbell. It has free cloud storage, as you just saw, the last 3 hours of motion detection clips. It also has a microSD card slot on the device itself. Alright, so there's the top of the box. We'll show you some details here. You can pause the video anytime and take a look. It's got 2.4 and 5 gigahertz, PIR motion detection, IP65 weather, night vision up to 16 feet, and like I said, the microSD card slot can handle 128 gigabyte card. Full duplex two-way talking, so if someone comes up to the front door, you can actually talk with them and they can talk with you. So here it is. This is the white cover. There are different covers for this device and it's pretty thin. This is the back plate right here. There it is right there. And here is the service card and setup guide. All right, here's one of the tools that you can use. Has two ends, the Phillips end right here, and then the other end. Looks like a torque end as well. And then here are all the different plates. These are the back plates that fit on the device, so it's a wedge right there. In case your house has a different type of design, it can fit that. And then here's a different type of wedge. It's a side wedge right there. And it comes with a weather sticker for in between. And here's a flat back plate right there. And then instead of the white right here, you can put on a black cover. Here is the 180 degree field of view camera. Here's the sensor, microphone, button for doorbell, and then on the bottom it has the speaker right there. And then if your house is a different color and you want the plate to be a different color, you can put this on there as well. And on the back it's just simple plastic with some screw ports right there. So very easy to install for that. And then inside this box, right here, you have all the installation tools that you need besides the screwdriver, the Phillips, and the torque. So you have screws here, you have electrical nuts, you have the electrical pieces right here, and everything that you need to finish installation. This is the EZVIZ DB1 video doorbell, and it has 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi with full HD resolution and two-way talk. Thank you.